Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Sandslash from Pokemon. Alright, let's get started drawing Sandslash. Right around here, I'm going to draw a circle for the head of Sandslash. After drawing the circle, right over here, I'm going to start drawing the eye. I'm drawing a curved line going down and making the eye shape into a triangle. After that, inside the eye, I'm drawing a small circle for the highlight of the eye and filling it in with the pencil. Next, we're going to move to the right side just a little bit and do the same thing, but in the opposite direction for the eye. Once you're done drawing the eyes of Sandslash, at the right corner of the eye, right over here, we're going to draw a curved line going down at the end of the circle, and we're going to do the same thing to the left eye. Draw a curved line, and from those 2 points that we drew, we're going to connect it all together, making a curved line at the end. Moving over to the right, we're going to draw the face structure of Sandslash. What I'm doing right now is that I'm drawing a curved line from the corner of the right eye and drawing a wave-like curve and following along the curve that we drew before, just like this. As you can see, it looks like the nose of Sandslash. From here, I'm drawing a small curve going up, and from the left eye, using the circle as a guideline, I'm drawing a curved line and connecting it to the small line that we drew before, giving the face structure of Sandslash. Moving up top right over here, we're going to draw 3 spikes in the middle, the left side, and the right side. To draw the spikes, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is think of the shape of triangles. For the middle spike, I'm drawing 2 diagonal lines and drawing a small point and connecting it all together. Drawing that small point is one useful way for me to see how long I want the spike to be. For the rest of the spikes, it's going to be the same thing, just drawing triangles in a different position. At any time of the video, you can pause the video and go back a few steps to see what I'm doing clearly if I'm going too fast. After those 3 spikes, we're going to move up top in the middle over here to draw 2 more extra spikes. Once you're done drawing those 2 lines, we're going to move down right over here to draw the hairline of Sandslash. Starting from this point, I'm drawing a zigzag line just like this. And on the right side, I'm just drawing a diagonal line. Cool! We drew the head shape of Sandslash. Now it's time to draw the arm. From this point, I'm drawing a line going out and extending it over here and creating a rectangle shape. Notice this point right over here. I slightly curved the line inwards to taper the arm. From this point, I'm going to draw the claw of Sandslash. So what I'm doing right now is drawing a line going down and curving the line right over here and connecting it all together to create a triangle shape. And I'm going to do another one on top. Moving right over here, we're going to draw the back of Sandslash. The back of Sandslash has so many spikes. First, we're going to draw the body shape of Sandslash. So what I'm doing right now is drawing a curved line going down. And from the end of that curve, we're just going to draw a straight line going diagonally down. This is for the tail of Sandslash. And after that, we're going to draw a horizontal line. Now we're going to move up top right over here. What I'm doing right now is drawing a light curved line. This is a guideline for the back of Sandslash. For the spikes on Sandslash back, I'm doing a little freestyle, which I'm just drawing small and big triangles. I'm using the guideline that we drew before for the spike angles, as you notice from my speed drawing right now. When you're drawing the spikes, take your time, and it's okay to erase whenever you think the shape is not correct. As you can see right now, I'm doing a lot of erasing and fixing some of the spikes and adding additional spikes. Hopefully you drew the spikes well, and right over here, that's the leg position, and over here is the arm. We're gonna draw the arm first, so starting from over here, I'm drawing a small curved line just like this, and making a straight line just like that. And after that, I'm extending the line to create a rectangle-like shape. Just like the first arm that we drew, we're gonna draw claws at the end, and we're gonna curve the claws inwards towards the body. As you can see right now, I just drew two curved lines just to set the position of the claws, and I'm going to draw the first claw, and after that, I'm going to draw the second claw. Moving right over here, we're gonna give Sandslash arm a little structure. What I'm doing right now is just drawing a wave-like line. Moving right below the nose, we're just gonna draw a curved line going down to the arm. Right over here, like I said before, is the leg. So what I'm doing right now is just draw a simple circle. From this point right here, we're gonna start drawing the foot. What I'm drawing right now is just drawing a triangle, a long triangle. At the bottom right over here, I'm drawing a line straight down, splitting in half, and drawing two curved lines just like this for the shape of the nails of Sandslash toe. From this line right over here, we're just going to pretend a line is going through and make that line curve to create the shape of Sandslash body. And moving up top right here, I just drew a line going down. Now we're going to draw the second leg of Sandslash. What I'm doing right now is just drawing a curved line right here and another curved line on the bottom, and creating a triangle shape and splitting it in half and rounding the tops to create this shape. Once you follow all these steps, you are able to draw Sandslash. For the rest of the video, I'm going to put it to a time lapse to show you my outlining and coloring Sandslash. Enjoy! Hey, if you're listening to this right now, that means you reached to the end of the video. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next drawing of Pokemon.